I have been using Supernote for over a year, so what do I usually use it for? Check out more. So these are the different notes that I have, and I use it a lot, especially on the journal part where I am having this gratitude journal where I actually download this template in Canva. You can just export it into like PDF and load it into your Supernote, and I'm just going to write like what are things that I'm grateful for today, my affirmations, 3 things that is happy today, and something that I'm proud of. So I'm writing every single day in order to change my thoughts. So I really enjoy this. And one thing that I like is that you can get to load like different templates that you get it from Canva. And these are some other notes that I'm using as well. Like I have like a weekly to-do list, daily to-do list, as well as like my future diary, which is my vision board. And I'm just going to show you guys. So I actually load this template. I found it in Canva and I load it over so that I can set like my visions. You can put some sticker. The sticker is really cute. You can put like stickers over here. Okay, anything that makes sense. So you make your journal really interesting. And then like what are different things in your vision board. And the thing that I really love about Supernote is that I can actually swipe it over in order to access to my shortcuts. So these are the bunch of notes that I usually use where I added them to quick access. So I have also built an index notes because I have so different notes. I just want to have like a list of the notes that I'm having, and I built a bookmark around it so that I can just directly go to the right notes that I'm having. So this is my weekly to-do list. As for the weekly to-do list, I really like to use this template, not customizations. I really love to use this built-in. I'm just going to show you guys where it actually comes with like a from the Monday until Sunday. So this one. So I usually love to draw like a timeline for this. Like I draw a pen straight line. Okay. So basically it's not straight, but when you draw in Supernote, as long as you hold it, it will become straight. Like I'm showing you guys. Hold it becomes straight. So what I do is that I will jot down the date here, and then here is the time, and here is my to-do list. So I actually plan my week ahead every single time, and this has been really helpful for me. And this is how you can organize your folder. I actually organize all my notes in the notes sections, and I have like different notes. I also even have like fun draw notes, which I love to draw. So this is what I draw about Stitch. I really love Stitch, and you get to have like different shadings and different marker pen as you draw on it. So I have like different drawing. For those who actually live in Asia, you know, like this is Korean Shinchan, and like all this coloring, I actually use it from here. These are different pen style that you are given. I'm just going to go to a new sheet and show you guys. Like over here, you have this marker, and of course, you can select the color. You can also select the thickness, and you can also select the pen style. Like you can select this, you can select the thickness, okay, and the color here. You can draw it accordingly. So the drawing is pretty smooth experience, and I really enjoy drawing with Supernote because it looks so fun, and you get to like erase the part, especially for someone like me. Sometimes I get to draw it in real. I have to use eraser, but then it damaged my file. But I get to use like this is the back button. Like for example, if I want to undo it, I can pretty much undo it. So which is very convenient. And for those who love drawing, you can also draw layers, which will be very useful. For those who love journaling, you can actually use this sticker. Yeah, you get to adjust like the size. You get to put it where you wanna be. And you can also get to insert links for like any text that you want. You can actually link to other files, or you can actually link to like a external link as well. So you get to select the link style or like web pages. So it's pretty cool. About a Kindle, I want to show you guys. I'm an avid reader. I read almost every week until I got pregnant, and currently I'm having a child with me, my baby with me, so I rarely read now. But I don't actually read it in like Supernote. The reason is because I feel like it's a bit too big to kind of read it, and it's a bit heavier as compared to the Kindle Paperwhite that I'm having. So I don't actually fancy reading in Supernote, but you can also have the functions as well. But this is not something that I'm doing. So basically, I usually do a lot of notes, a lot of drawings in my Supernote. I don't actually use calendar. I think it's useless. because I just rely on my smartphone, and I don't really use the mail as well, and I don't really use the to-do. So if let's say you're someone like me, you really enjoy journaling a lot. Like, I think, especially if you love to draw journals and you have so many different notebooks and you want to combine them in one single device, this has been really, really helpful. Like in the past, I used to thought like maybe I bought a notebook and I need to like separate different sections. What is my to-do? What is my my vision board? But then now I actually combine everything in one, and it's so organized, and I don't have to carry like really different notebooks, and everything is concise in one. And for those who are just also enjoying this video and you want to find out more about Supernote, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. I'm more than happy to reply to you guys. And if let's say you're planning to get one Supernote, I actually attach my affiliate link down below in the description box so that you can support me, and I will definitely create more videos about Supernotes, and feel free to ask me anything. If you're someone who likes to improve your public speaking skills and you do not want to miss out my course at junlo.co/APSP, where I'm going to teach you how you can improve your presentation and public speaking skills in a very short course. See you in the next Supernote video.